Alright, language explorers. So, let's look at today's Wednesday adjective. So, past. 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 Something that happened before. He went to a past meeting. That was the topic of the past event. That was a past show. Yeah. She knows all the past actors in the movie. Yeah, how does she know these things? How do you know the past events in the series? How do you know the things that have happened? Yeah, past. Okay. What happened? That happened in the past time. Yeah. That happened in a time before past. Ages ago. Has no bearing today. Yeah, nothing. Yeah. We're talking about the past members. Yeah, because when they were members, they did a lot of things. But now they are past members and their mark has been left on the place. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So she should go with me to the past speakers to see them. Yeah. We need to go to the past, anything past meetings, past documents to know what happened. Yeah, the past documents, the past files, speakers, past events, past members, everything. If you look in the past chapters, you can see how the story has changed over time. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So can you use past in a sentence? Yeah. Can you write it in the comments below and like the video? Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. Yeah. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.